Introducing the 2010 Volkswagen Routan. This 7-passenger van still has less than 80,000 miles. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Volkswagen are offered, including delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, rear wipers, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.